Welcome to another episode of the Nayful Podcast Sports Edition. I'm your host, Utumza Utumsani Koyana Mbamba Ukhila Utangana Ukhasu. We're on episode 3 for season 2. It's been a crazy few weeks of football, Club World Cup. We're seeing signings happening from the big teams. So hey, we have a special guest today, one of our own in the Buffalo City region. He's done it all, He's played amateur football. He's played, it was NFD back then, which is Motsepe Championship Foundation. He's played in the PSL. He's played for one of the biggest football clubs that is doing well at the FIFA Club World Cup. I don't want to introduce him. I want him to introduce himself, Menir, Ukren. Introduce yourself. Who are you? Ungbani. Wapi. Ungbani wapi.
Okay. Tumza mankanbulele mntakwethu man. To come to the studio finally.
Yeah.
Tell us putana mntakwethu.
Bengena kuphosa kule game.
Now I've been wanting to come to your studios, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, man, let's introduce uthetha ndimulilo noMandela. Umayano. Mbi kumatata simlo mesibhamanya thela kansimbo mahlamba ngokubele ikhaya semthatha but ngokuhlala lapha eMonti kusekhaya lapha eMonti ngoku I'm a football player ibhola segazini, so I'm happy to be here.
And I'm sure abantu abaninzi would also be happy the fact that you finally graced a sports podcast yenziwa ngumuntu walapha eMdantsane walapha eEast London, Ichene yakho yebhola iqalele eMthatha iqala njani? Mina abantu abaninzi ke believe when I say nanikwazi ebholeni, I know brother wakho uNcaba. For me he was a big deal, he was a big deal. Pity that he didn't take his football career to another level. Ichene yakho yefootball iqala phi njani?
Ichene yami yefootball Tumzwe iqala kudala ngiseyintwana maybe I was 8 from Mthatha. I started playing for Mighty Eagles Mthatha. From under 10, under 12, and then under 12. Then each time I had to relocate from Mthatha to East London. Then we came to East London, Social East London. That's when I joined Pushbacks, Pushbacks development. Then I started playing for under 13, 14, 15, 16, up until senior team Pushbacks, of which that was under 23 then. But I was still young, but it's playing for under 23 team. So it's been like that. Then I got a loan, if I could put it that way, to FC Buffalo 2011, I think. That's when everything changed for me to go to NFD, because I remember we went to playoffs at Cape Town. Vodacom then.
Back
then it was called Vodacom. And then that's when Kara Kicks saw me, and Kara Kicks was playing in NFD ngoko. So
sizawuza kule iKara Kicks ke sibali obabalisele ba imove yakho to iKara Kicks and everything, how it happened. Do you funa like relocating from Mthatha uzohlala eMonti, uadjusta ubufunda phi, ichildhood yakho ibinjani ekhaya uyabo?
It must figure Tumza East London. It was a bit difficult for us, like amongst for us as family, because we by like so now coming to East London at Trent Point. So it's African school. So the struggle was Afrikaans, I would say Afrikaans, because it was a home language, so a second language. So you had to pass Naranja and Afrikaans. So when it comes to a school, it was that adjustment that we had to adjust on when I Tumza. And then football-wise, it was not much adjustment, because the football is
football.
Someone London, coaches, they liked me, even as a scaler, coach football, then under 12, wing time, because I primary school. So even as a primary school, that's when they started making me captains.
Hey.
African school thing, I don't feel come color say corner scale, and then there's this darky boy.
Fika nje.
Say bambi panty. So even as a scale apart, when you play sports, especially soccer, kulula communicate okanye ukwazana nabantu because football it's a language itself yabo. So bekubalula nami ufike ndi adjust ku environment endikuzo eSt London. So that's how it went when it comes to adjustment.
Family wise khule hlala neolidi ne-timer or ibili timer neolidi i-dynamics akhona bezinjani?
Family wise khule ngihlala neolidi ne-timer yami. Oledi ne-timer, my timer was very supportive, the timer even now professor supportive. Even oledi, but oledi ke la ngayithembi kakhulu ngebhola but ish yeah ibhola mara isigela. So I had a very supportive family. Even my brothers, yeah, they were very supportive, yeah. So ndiphuma kwi-family yazi ukuba they knew from ekuzalweni ukuthi hayi lo uzoba ibhola because I've always been football kum sakhula.
Yabona pha kuneniphethe abantu bebhola. Ngaba uwe and your younger brother umdu.
Yeah.
Ningabantu bebhola, I understand. I was fortunate enough to be very unfortunately close, but in a proximity bandinazi nonibona ihlobene edlala ngalo. Masithethe ngomthatha man, some of the talents that you've played with amajita phuma eMthatha, because I for one believe but when it comes to football as Eastern Cape or Umthatha is one of the places that has produced top players from Opopo, Oplati. You can name them. Ngoba nama amajita odlale nabo bona baphelela phi ebholeni.
I've played with so many players when Tumza like amanye maybe ngabakhohlwa but I've played with so many players in Mthatha. Abanye bayenzile, abanye didn't make it to professional football. The likes of Zongo, but it made it. I played with Zongo, khule naye intona yami. Nzina yeah, ndikhule no Ace uGabo Makapresh class. Yeah. Khule ntona yami. So like lots of them like kuneplayer bathi ngozidane. Quality abo Popo like your Mthatha kune-talent talent so khule ngidlala nabantu ababhaya younger than me, older than me. Those were older than me. I learned a lot from them. Abori bazi coaches today. Abo Phumlani Mama, I played with them, go pushbacks. So I played with lots of players with Tumza that they made it to professional and abanye bayenzanga to professional. But what I can say, Mthatha, Eastern Cape as a whole has got a talent when it comes to football.
But why do you think? Okay, and this way, and this way, Bali cheaper per se, ne? Okay. But why is it singenaz it teams like maybe 2 or 3? Okay, Kone Hyper, Lalako Mutsepe Championship Foundation is cheaper, but I feel like the teams are PE, you know. Okay. But why is it Ujongi East London, the pool of talent in East London? You go to Mthatha, you know, why is it we don't have so many teams as Lala? Professional level. Nobody doing like, is it the players, the characters, is it because Akomali or Akobanda are interested to run football clubs?
I wouldn't be quite sure that Tumzban might be doing like, but on my side, I think I'm not judging from the school and out in a school. Kunama tournaments up, like they were Coca-Cola football tournaments, there were MTN. So we ask about every holiday about
tournament.
Excited. MTN, it was played by schools. Coca-Cola was played by amateur teams. About which that has lagged Eastern Cape when abo akuseko yabona ngokabantu sebeyazi ba ngoJuni akunazi plans zesoka. So I think I'm going to why singenazi teams ezibhaya ku professional setup ne but iqala amacha league wena ngomdumza ne uba singane structure siyazi ba each and every tournament there's an exciting tournament in East London. That's when ke ngokune kuza scouts. Then there's lots of teams that are coming. Then team yabo. Then that's when it growth here football cool Eastern Cape. That's when we'll make it to the professional. Because about professional, it started from NFT. We've tried it before. Business team is Mthatha Parks.
Blackburn
Yabo. By that time we couldn't Blackburn pushbacks. The pushbacks said development.
Development, yeah.
Blackburn development. We by like Batata into one maybe if it's a luxury about Palsias that Jongi. So that's why we had teams back then when I go professional Eastern Cape. But now I would say cheaper yacht and cheaper MTC and MTC you wouldn't say development per se because batata maybe almost ready players now. It's not like yabo. So I think if singaphinde sibuyise la yaqala iculture nathi install tournaments apha ekhaya yabo kube ku tournaments siqala i-growth so that ibhola nayo kube kuthando lebhola yabo before we go to the level of ba wise ngena teams as professional ephondweni.
Yabona lento isayo it's episode 3 that we're shooting today. Episode 1 and 2 we had the people that are running a football, so-called running a football. We had president where Buffalo City Local Football Association, Mxolisi Spam, and then we had another guy who Uvukile Mlanjana was also into football. Where besifuna ukwazi ndoba what's the main cause yoba izinto when it comes to amateur football are not happening. Bahlala bathetha like le nto ithethayo but there are no tournaments akho nto ezenzekayo. We understand because nam into bendifuna we understand ukuba ba why kunje, why kungalungi, why kuthini but masibe siyibeke ecaleni leyo. Funa sithe ngalento yenzekayo ngoku kokuqala ndifuna uthi congratulations to your former teammate uSibusiso Mapompo uPhopho. I-team yakhe FC Ravens is going to playoffs as ABC Motsepe, which is starting on Tuesday. It's Akane. He was a great player. He's a great coach. I think nobody season yake start or yesine le going to playoffs. We just want to wish him good luck. Spuda, good luck out here. Make sure ubuya and move to Motsepe Championship because promoted team is 3 bro.
Yeah, this season. Spuda na this season.
Osho.
Uzodangishilo uzophila ungibize la e-studio. Ravens they've got a proper team. A proper team structure. You can see it from far. They've got a proper coach, like coaching coach Mapompo. He was coaching me while I was playing with him. And I had a chance of being coached by him. So they've got a structure, judging from what I'm seeing from far. So wishing good luck with Ravens. They must come back with it. Yeah,
we need a team. We need another team. We do have Hyperi, a PA. So with Itapi, say deal at that. But it's a lot of Tapi. Over big speaker by or speaking up.
As long as some teams, because once we have got 3 professional teams, Eastern Cape, we can even make those mini tournaments. We buy like the cheaper.
Is that
Charity Carbs or something.
Eastern Cape Premier's Cup.
Because the kids will be having 3 teams in professional, at least maybe 1 team that is competing, maybe Snenkane, just to make it for Master Senzama tournaments. So it's going to be a good thing for Eastern Cape if Ravens they do go through.
Tifuna sijambe. Sapenda sibuyele back. Your former team.
There's lots of former teams. Which one?
The big one. They won their first game, the Club World Cup. They lost the second game 4-3 against the Borussia Dortmund. Big brand, big club in the world. What's your take on the performance yabo in the tournament? You know, as someone that has played for the team.
Top performance, Tomza, top performance. Those guys are in another level, bro. Another level. Once you play for Sundowns, bro, now you've been there, like your mentality, everything changes, bro. Those guys, they think, they eat, they sleep football, and now we are Yazlon. At 3 o'clock, you can get a call. Like, 3 o'clock, you can get a call. I remember this Katskapit. You'll call me at 12. Ate, Norma. Are you watching repair? No one band up.
Hi, boo. Rest yeah.
We have to tell like any time is tea time. It was a span, 24 hours sometimes. So, yeah, they've been doing well, Shem Club World Cup. And suppose I'm not even surprised because we've got players that are performing at a high level.
Yeah.
We've got like almost 9 to 10 players that are playing in national teams. So. And it's good for South Africa, bro. Like if we to a ball, what Sundowns is doing, bro, like way sharp, we should be happy for them. Because what are they doing now? They injected even our Pirates. The boy Pirates now they're stepping up their game when it comes to playing in Africa. And then yes, for a national team, that must be players that are competing in a high level. So what Sundowns is doing, bro, I applaud them. Like they're doing a great job. And because my ukuthi Operation Fat Alias because watch president what he doesn't want to win in South Africa anymore. He wants to conquer Africa. He wants to challenge the world. Of which that's why Sundowns ikhona ngoku. It's done about the PSL Sundowns manje ayisakhuluma ngendaba ka DStv hayi they've passed that stage. Kancane Africa bazodlula in the world. So yeah, Sundowns yaphakamisela bhuti wami.
I don't know, but I posted it on Facebook. Congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns for winning 2025-2026 Betway Premiership. Because I feel like I don't see a team close to Sundowns. The other teams must fight for second position. I understand. Sundowns is on their own level. Like the ways in doesn't corner. You look at how they played against the Borussia Dortmund. That team plays Champions League.
Yeah, bro.
Champions League, UEFA Champions League, every season they're playing Champions League. You know, they've got big stars. Obo Branti, Sule, you know, or Joe Bellingham, which showed. I understand. But when do you think, you know, Basel progress to the last 16s and go forward, or is the group stages enough for experience able to come back and still dominate and then try again to win the Champions League? Because I feel like they had a good chance to win the Champions League.
Yeah.
The previous one. When I come on up, Indonesia win.
Okay, let me start on the first one. Like, like on this Club World Cup, when it's possible. Sundowns, everything is possible. Sundowns, I fluke, I fluke. We can't say even if they don't make it, it will be like maybe their last game or something. But they are on another level. It's possible to a second round with top stages. Yeah. But even if they've done well, because this is a World Cup clubs. It's the same as the World Cup countries. So it's the last stage of football. But there's no other stage of football in the world. So they've done so well. But when we win, because the World Cup, it's really draw. It's really score goals. Like now we are winning. Yeah. Even the game that we lose Dortmund, it was not an easy game because we scored first goal and we scored a top goal, and that goal is going to compete for
goal of the tournament.
Goal of the tournament. So it shows good. We're not just a team some sort.
They to compete.
Yeah, but so compete. We're there to compete. So it's possible that they can go through to the next round. And then Champions League, when it comes to Champions League, really party because sometimes they have to make another history of stars has been. They'll be the first team stars has been in South Africa. So, but it's coming. Last season it was semi-final. This season is final. Next season say Tata, obvious. So I would say that on that one here, Champions League. Let's give them next season. Because obviously by next season Champions League.
Yeah. Sibuyela back to 2010-2011 season. Okay, it's not about me. Kufika team ekuthiwa FC Buffalo, you know, idlala ku Vodacom back then, which is ABC Motsepe League. Coach wangu Wito. Props to you, coach William Muki.
Wito.
Iqalaphi lento yakho no Wito. Uye ku FC Buffalo, and I still have a grudge, yes. Because bafika bathatha indawo zethu kula team. La team ibheka ikapa yodlala i-playoffs ne-cheap for money promotion. Ne was team yase Northwest na yadlala Linda Shiba.
Yeah.
I'm just forgetting the name of the team. You know. Iqalaphi lento ba iza ku FC Buffalo. Uwitso kwenzeka ntoni njani?
Okay, the starts on 2010.
Yeah, it's 2010-2011.
2010 World Cup when I'm lapha eSlondon, brush. Khule kemna ke nase eSlondon, but I wouldn't say I was famous, but bengisaziwa ngebhola eSlondon from the young age, yabo. So ngikhule ngcono yazi bras ba ish, why now you're supposed to be playing for Chiefs development there, yabo. But bingathi yenzeka because of, I would say the politics zebhola zabo. So 2010 angathi fuck ngiyayeka le into yebhola mina. Yabo, I'm no longer playing football, I'm going back to school, yabo. Yeah. That was 2010 December. Then come 2011 January, I get a call from Coach Mapompo. No, no Nelisa October may his
Aye, may his soul rest in peace.
Bangifonela babathe ngitshana muphi ngitanga sesilana babathe man hey there's this team called FC Buffalo man my boy yeah. Come and join us January then so it's midway season that time man ngiyekile ibhola kunama politics yabo I don't want to mention names abantu zabe against him yabo because of befuna ukuphusha the players zabo yabo I won't mention names so ngimxelela uBrian ukuthi mina into ibhola ngisayekile but no man comes odlala ntona yami so okay ngaya January ya ku FC Buffalo mangifika FC Buffalo coach nguWitso mangifika uWitso wathi I'm going to use this boy athi first sessions 2 sessions bathi uMaphompo hey wena yikho losicela yona wena uyabuyela ebholeni yabo so then uthando lebhola laphela labuya because I was around people that they valued me abon put and FC Buffalo the quality players there on me nayo FC Buffalo the quality players so I thought like ngizodlala la but third session angabona ukuthi angizodlala no coach Witso gave me confidence ukuthi my boy I'm going to use you yabo so then I ngaqala ngoJanuary then I started playing ngasigna and then we negotiated ngasigna FC Buffalo I started scoring goals FC Buffalo creating goals scoring goals left right and center then we won the league
playoffs
Cup that's how I joined FC Buffalo in 2011 because of uPhopho no Manele bathi and no Witso wathi wangifonela so uthando lebhola phela labuya then that was it
pu na ngumuntu sephula dichaba Free State
hayi yamanda lapho yayo
Gori kuLeslie wanele ne
ngifike mangaseke vayilo anele
sevayilo anele
masevayilo
no Witso sepa you know sometimes it helps when you have a coach that believes in you
yeah
you know because I feel like when Witso went to a Carrara Kicks he took the players that he knows but they can work for me
yeah
fika wadlala Carrara Kicks you did well hey ndoda sekudinga phezulu
yeah
how was your time like at Free State even playing for Free State Stars
my time at Free State bra ngifike kubanda bra wami lapha ibhola ngihlanzela bra yazi mangisiya Free State lapho ngidlala bus station yase Blom
hayibo
because angithi iCarrara Kicks is a Ritz so mali kasa ngiyazi Free State I thought like Free State Bloemfontein then and sayintwana bo so bangibhukhela iticket bathi ngizwakala Free State so angikhwele eDumza mangikhwela ngehle Blom ufonela coach mina ngifikile la bathi useBlom bathi ukafika you still have another 3 hours to go but that time ngiyabala ngoJune ngithi ngifika ngoJune time
pre-season
yeah to cut the story short angifike eRitz the following day mangifike eRitz the following day ngilele park station bus station kuseni ngivuke ngibele ama taxi eRitz mangifike eRitz ngifika ngabo ma 12
yeah
mangifika 12 abese coach Witso ebavu uzosipana la baba
the session
ngo 3 yo cabanga ulele busini lele park station ngitaba
inyawo zihleliso ebhasini
asayifuna lento angifike nyale Jimmy hayi I didn't do well on my first session but kuba Witso bengazi yabo angarese the following day mangifika kuse session that's when I started doing my thing but now the thing was the language lapha yasuit
and this is deep
baba mina ngazi isiXhosa ngithi and ke lapha ba compromise because abesuit this is deep like it's not like we in Joburg but like we
mix
bana nesizulu uyabona isitswana hayi lapha pure suit ngabasuit lababuye elusuthu so the language but then it goes back to what I said before like football language phela sazana that's how I even learned the language esuthu yabo because I'm staying with these people now angixelela ucoach kuba kumele ngazi language leya la manje
uzoba comfortable
so yeah but that's how I joined the Carrara Kicks yeah
first team ufike ukhobani ku first team ke ngoba Free State Stars ke ngoba
Free State Stars
inqoko ezipha ngobani
first time ngifike khona kuligcwele Free Stars and that time ngifike Free Stars fike the time they did well the previous season lapha bebeshaya ama teams khona abo Paulos Mase abo Muzi Mashaba abo Katlego Mashiko yo abo Manqele
yo
80 yeah mina ngifike ngelaxesha ke mina kabo so nakhona bangibone na Carrara Kicks I signed 2-year contract but I stayed 1 season but I'm from siyafuna ngapha ngathi ngifuna kusondela so that time doing Steve Komben so we used to play against the midfield games so bengithola ngibenzela abo mama ngithi umXhosa kuthi mafethu
umthetheli sonke
ngiyelele umXhosa kuthi so mangifika Free Stars angafika Free Stars like in another level now bayanceda ukuthi afika nge-pre-season
yeah
so nafika namaja and welcome kahle abo Paulos abo Noah Chivuta, abo Dove Wome, like the quality players, I said abo Paulos, like first as it was easy for me because I was already used to professional setup because of Karara Kicks. Yeah, but so it was easy for me, like Danba Gutan Sok Amateur, because to play in a professional setup, it has the things that you have to be on time management. So it was not difficult for me because we professional environment, we Karara Kicks. So with Free Stars, it was not difficult for me. Hence, I adjust even style of play, because how they played Free Stars, it's almost how we played with Karara Kicks.
Because he's sort of like a reserve team.
Yeah, so like a reserve team, yeah.
Coach Wang Hello Mandela.
Steve.
How was it like? Now I've worked with him. I've worked with him. I know the type of person he is. He's always encouraging and he's always challenging you. How was it like working no Steve? And also nice part is ngumxhosa uyasithetha isiXhosa. Usebenza naye. What are some of the things owazifundayo kuye?
You a lot, bro. Lamchita a lot. Time Steve, right? Time Steve. Yeah. And especially coaches ke once uphinde futhi ube ngumuntu okwazi udlala ibhola yabo. Yeah, ku Steve. So cause nguye wanqinisekisa ubuzodlala cause at that time ngoba nifika mina ku that time Steve ngathi ngaya kubafana. You still remember the time bafana they needed a coach. And Steve bemane ucoach abafana. So Steve he made sure ukuthi cause the time we were in camp at Blackstop we maneva camping bafana bo. So I will speak to him ngithi coach once wavaya la uzobanzima and angasign that time ba like ngibeka ipen nepaper phansi so angiassure to Steve athi I'm Xhosa sasibiza nami Xhosa athi I'm Xhosa uzosana la khuleka la nami bensitsho ke stage coach I so wish bungangayi ngoku mali bafana because I think if you can stay lapha one season while you yene at least kuzoba sharp for him of which that's how it happened yabo wahlala Steve and then it was easy for me and coach nje kahle like father figure after training uzothetha nayo Steve umuntu nje zamXhosa kamnandi uyamazi naba umuntu onjani umuntu ama jokes yabo but yena ku street when it comes to a training is a totally different person uSpra Steve ejimini ngaphandle ejimini is a serious guy baf uyayazi akujoka once ashaya whistle bamaqala session is a totally different guy to what he is after he land a session so nalo adjustment it was lula kuma because ngiyazi bama ngishaya ispana kunama jokes yabo and then after work we good.
Adjusting to PSL because you will always hear other players saying it's very easy to play with PSL. The most difficult leagues to play in, man gathi PSL because banibazan longest because the PSL is the motherboard. To play Premiership, the Premier Division in South African football, it's easy apparently. But when you go down to your Motsepe Championship, which is NFD and APC, so zonas is difficult to play in. When you adjusting to a PSL, why find a ranjan? Because it was your first time playing the level. As much as you'd be playing friendlies with the senior team at la level, adjust kanjani? Why bona kanjani uqala ukufika ba hey ayisuka ngadlala mana?
Yeah, it was not easy to adjust it was not easy to adjust because abantu bayamnyatha PSL especially xa ungadlali bacima famba kulula mombone TV but it's not ufuneka ube one of the things that asifundayo ku Stephen Pelazone you have to know when to be xa ungenabhola and when to be unebhola yabo that's the things ezikwenza ube different to PSL because ku PSL kumakho space ku NFD ku 1-on-1 and then they are different these leagues because it league ngaphansi kwe Premier it's obvious it's a promotional league they're playing to be promoted yaliwa so yabonga wafa like wonke umuntu udlala bang number 1 number 2 to go to the playoffs so it's about harder ku PSL we're not playing to go to another league yabo sengisho even if like number 8 yabo you still fine trend yabo so that's why but PSL is difficult on Abraham so it needs coaching uzazi ukuthi when to be on and off the ball yabo so yeah it was much more easier to adjust because bemphethe abantu manje Steve they are the coaches that abakhule ku development yabo so they know how to develop a player they know how to coach a player to be top level. So I was fortunate enough, if I could put it that way, ukuthi the coach qanqala udla ku PSL coach njengo Steve.
Big league comes with big stress, it comes with fame. Izanayo yonke lento. We out here khulele eMalinda, was a Southern Woody, quick, you know, adjusting. Okay, back then basically DMs, Facebook DMs, ne? Yeah, Facebook DMs, Mix It. What's up, what's up? That one we have to talk about. Fame. Dealing with fame, because ngoku games zakho zidlala TV. You know, people can see. You know, nabantu abagqibela kudala now they texting. Hey, mfowethu, good luck, unqabile into nezinto. Do you feel about that fame ngokuqalayo ngena you dealt with nayo ngendlela right or bekunzima adjust because you wanted to please, because everyone ibanjalo xa izinto zakho zimuva phambili, you have to please everyone all up around you?
With me, fame, when I'm saying, I'll go back to what I said before. If we are saying, sengidumile ka sengiyazi ukuthi mina bengisaziwa Eastern Cape yonke, even angikhule ngidlala ama tournaments, each and every tournament ibidlalwe eKasi bengidlala like professional o Coca-Cola, ngidlale each and every level zonke I tournament. So bengiyazi ukuthi besazi ukuthi hayi labona linguliyolo, because bengaziwa ukuthi bengakangibisi noMandela sayibona nguliyolo uzili molale iyalazi phola. So just ku fame wena Dumza bese ngijwayele ukuthi angiyaziwa yabo, and especially ku Steve wangixelela. I remember first game yam Free Stars sadlala ePolokwane M108. After M108 profile ngosi yak M108 yabo, I got an interview kumhlobo wenene while I was in the bus yabo to siyodlala. So xa sebhasini uSteve khona athi kum Steve hey ngikhoza sesiqalile ungena interview
okay kana the throw in
wathi Steve ingathi ngoyijwayela ke mfana ba iqalile izinto ngoba
awukamnandi throw in
msana
awukangeni ongena
sebevila ngisebethethe kuthiwa hey uLeon noMandela mfana ukhona ku 18 man squad yabo M108 sodlala neSuper Sport and the game's gonna be live yazi bebala M108 yabo. So angicela Steve ngishoba into phela benengqondo phansi manje Dumza andlo prepare yabo andithanda izinto yabo ngishoba it was easy for me ukudlala nje ibhola yabo. Yeah, but ke ifame yakho kubona ba you get to be overwhelmed uba okay I didn't expect uba kube so, but ke Steve Lencho always mention Steve because always guide, especially Tina, because that's baninzi ababefika ku Free Stars yabo. So he knows about ufika ku Free Stars, some of 3-4 players they will get a breakthrough baziwe like wanqala ngo8 uManqele ufika ngaziwe na ku Free Stars suke
ku
Vartos yabo engaziwa. So now amqala wathi hey jonga xa udla Free Stars you start scoring, that's when people will start talking about you now. So ngokufuneka ingqondo yehle ingadumbi inhloko. So even na ku fame wona Dumza it was not much defense kuma kanye ngene inhloko or some sort.
The first season yakho mostly where you got called up for Bafana.
Yeah, first season, but azange ngiye first season because I got injured. Nganxa kaHlompo, but I got the first call up.
Okwenzani Hlompo?
Sho ngiyathela mchitha lo afethu angikhuphe imali lamchitha. Brakeke. Hlompo ke kana.
Tupac.
Yeah. And he knew what he was doing, the guy, bro. He knew. And boxeleka last 4 games of the league biphela sengigqibile sebengixelela ngithi uqala uxela management ye Free Stars ba okay, these are the players that we've shortlisted for abangabizwa ku squad, and go on check 4 games nanizobizwa ku Khosafa ngiKhosafa yazi bedlalwa manje after
season iphelile.
So kufeze ngoba ngithola i-call up Khosafa bangibiza call up ngokune injury
bafuna ukubona
but the injury was bad, bro, like ngishaya enkilo uHlompo, so I couldn't go ke Khosafa on a first season ku Free Stars.
Yako Hlompo
uyayazi ngamxelele
uliyo luthi yamkolota
uyayazi KK.
So second season, I think second season nena ku pre-season China.
Yeah.
Now you're in your second season, you've done well ku first season yakho. I'm sure zizakhona izinto ba hey khona iteam ekufunayo kula first season or zifike ku second season yakho ezo calls ba hey fundini kapakisha impahla zakho yafuneka eGauteng.
Zafika first season First season lapho balwa khona iFree State. And lapho iFree State nakhona angithi ngisayine kuFree State ngisayine 2 and option. So same story esenza kuKara. First season bayanokha labantu lapho. Bayanokha labantu bathi bangifuna ngokwakhala uBramike may his soul rest in peace because I time sharp na it's the one futhi wangeza ukuthi ngihlala Free Stars because wancenga ngihlasa phansi wathi mfethu we know that you did well and ke ngoba beqetha uvayisa
uManqele to Sundowns
Manqele kwabe gqoba nomuzi Mashaba Vets yabo so besitsho uBramike kuba vayisa iKey players zabo yabo ngicela ngihlala yabo so ngasho ba man banika nami ke ngisayintwana nami ngiyashisa iChiefs la iDowns la iPirates la streamer Shabana Pirates athi amfana uzoba umXhosa ofika enza indaba Pirates like bonke Pirates abengifuna bra like and I couldn't do anything because that time I was under a contract yeah and ke mase ngithetha no team because manager yami team sukazi that time ngicela uteam ba there's nothing we can do manje thina sizithobe kwabantu sibancenge so that's why we could sithetha no Bramike sithi okay next season we are letting him go to a team
okay yeah. So it was basically building a team around wena kule second season
yeah prepare nokuthi ne replacement
yakho
yabamba off guard basho ukuthi we didn't besinga expect ukuba sofumana replacement ngoku yabo so mawusenza kanje teams are knocking yabo and once we go to the second year of a contract that's where I'll be able to sign a pre-contract
and stuff
so they didn't want to go through that so they said let me finish the first season the second season ngidlala ngiqede but the second season that's when I signed with Sundowns during the second season yeah January I remember it was a January transfer
these kwezi moves actually by Chiefs came Sundowns came Pirates came ayenzeka normally players when they move to the big three ingenzeki yeah it kind of takes a knock yes I missed out will it ever come again londele when u react kanjani to situation enjalo ba you ankwazanga ukwenza itrip yam to as teams zinifunayo
yeah I did bra kumna especially kumi I did bra because especially as you know ngifunda le Chiefs bra Chiefs has always been my team bra that's the team I wanted to play for and the team been playing in favor yabo so when I was getting those calls by Chiefs is here yabo my mind was Kaizer Chiefs bro my mind was Kaizer Chiefs yabo so when it didn't happen bro like I was down yabo and I even spoke to time I'm telling time ukuthi can you please speak to Team Sukazi nabantu be Chiefs because at that time I believe ba maybe team bengafuni ngiye Chiefs okanye Free State Stars ayafuna ma ngiye Chiefs so I was lost ukuthi
kwenzeka ntoni
yabo phane but the time ngihlalisa phansi my own dad yabo yathi hayi wena usadlala ibhola usemncinci if a deal kumele yenzeke izakwenzeka just keep on playing football yabo your football once a right team comes you will join the team so nami xa sengiphinda uvalomazi ku time that's when I relaxed abona ukuthi okay base kusho abantu abadala yeah
season le Chiefs nama I know and there were talks by Chiefs is coming after a second season or during the second season was there concrete offer from Chiefs ba yela nansi 3-year contract nansi signing on fee nansi package yakho yonke into
engekho Dumza won't lie that was a difference between them and Sundowns
siyabo clarify ke lo ningazi niphinde nibuze lo nto le iChiefs never offered uLuyolo noMandela
sign ku Facebook
sign ku Facebook was signed on social media Chiefs he was never signed by Chiefs there was nothing like that
to be honest zange babeke utafuleni iChiefs even iPirates yabo but uTeam Sukazi kuba we-agent yami then we confirm ngomlomo ukuthi hayi bayakufuna yabo but abantu ababeka into etafuleni iSundowns they were very clear but this is how we're going to do it this is the years we're going to give you this is the number we're going to give you they even sent Bratrot Moloto
Trapatoni
why Free State make everything negotiate everything so Sundowns that's how Sundowns was because then I always say it was easy because daya apho ndifunwa khona uPitso engifonela coach Pitso angifonela athi hey wena ngiyabathumela abantu bayeza manje wena yazi ukuthi indaba yakho eChiefs asayingeni so uPitso showed ma uyangifuna Dumza so when a coach wants you management wants you yabo uzothini yeah so that's how I joined the Sundowns and when I went to Sundowns nami nomoya kahle Sundowns also a proper team, a good team, even then. But it's just good to learn about as Antoine, you wish you played for
the other
team.
one.
Yeah, but it was not a transmission. Like even if in the Sundowns, I was happy for it, bro, because it was a blessing, bro, to play for a big team. What I prayed for when I was, I mustn't retire without playing for a big team. I mustn't retire without playing for Bafana. You can even ask Oleti. The time I go to Oleti, yes, but at Chiefs, Sundowns. Wena ngithi Oleti ngeke ngiyeke ibhola ngayidlala
ungafikanga
I promise you yeah ngafika bo so even like Sundowns I knew okay I played one of the big teams out of the three yabo yeah
now uhamba ngeAllendale Road uthena left udlula klasekile khola gate ngaka pha
the big yellow gate
la gate ngaka pha iyatsala uyavula what's happening engqondweni yakho ezungena ubona ba yo ekuse lewe kudala ndilangazelela it's finally happening I've signed I'm here and one thing I know there's a guy Donna I know but he was your role model his style of play was modeled to the way Donna played football now we angena pha fike dressing room kukho Ben 10 Bongani Zungu Mameni Young Teko, Hlompo, Sugar, PC, Shishi, Kama, Gaucho, Kigintoni, What's going through your mind? Your contract is signed, still done. We are getting up. I know that place is very intimidating. And that was very intimidating. We get up our dressing room. Secure building ngapha okay so uyangena dressing room bakuhleli kuyagidwa who's the first person to say welcome to Sundowns from the players
you yayibani mara mangikhumbula mangena ngihlangana no Peter Ndlovu manager Peter ngihlangana no Peter Ndlovu and then saya sabona uGash saya eBoardroom thetha no chairman saceda no Peter wayikhona president ekhona and the next following day ke ngoku ne ngile Jozi ngasayina ne and then I went back to East London ngabuyela East London because it was off season it was off season I remember and then babelungiselela eNamibia there's a tournament yeah. So after that I had to come back because I off season and then I stayed a week here then after a week I went to Jozi and then Jozi that's when I'm meeting the players now and then I'm meeting the players at the airport because I dahlangana nabo mina
gym
akajim sekuthiwa fly akathi mangithi it's off season la invite yabo Sundowns igqibowini league igqibowini league Sundowns so ngihlangana match the airport I think it was not Tiko but I think Tiko was the second because I remember I wanted to see Udona first but then Tiko angisakhumbula punch masinameli yeah umuntu the first guy I saw airport but amatch ngabo Kennedy amatch welcome sharp airport and then sa flyer to Namibia they must figure Namibia with a team session as Sundowns the teams buildings also that's when I hlangana amajita ke but manje besekendazi yabo that's when hlangana amajita and then that's how ke uqala komhlangana amajita lahlangana naba awuthambo on our way to Namibia
difuna like uzama explain le way cuz I always hear abantu abaninzi you know as a footballer when you go to a room or a dressing room okulonda uhleli kuyo like kona uthi whatever na be airport as association the big guns they there abanye you compete nabo I understand kwezinye teams or kwezinye situation you'd find abanye abantu they're not very welcoming because as by izonithathe ispanile I understand for whether uadjuster you know ba okay nifike lapha into endize lapha ngizodlala nzange ngizokwenza ichomi mina ku Sundowns nabantu abanenhliziyo esharp Dumza yazi na uSundowns akunabanamona ababantu babhaba mfethu yabo they are very welcoming players yabo especially in fact kula season fika ngayo ekhona manje sasibaningi kwakufika uzwenyi ejike Le Nigeria.
Yeah,
Kodwa scam.
So that's kind of Uzwenyo. So the guys they welcome us so well, bro. I won't lie, bro. Even like kit manager, Pretosa.
Pretosa.
Bro, like Sundowns, Banubundu, bro. Like, you don't feel unwelcome to Sundowns. It's such a nice environment. Yeah, but they show about China Africa police stars, bro. Africa police stars, especially now. But Pelembes, about like pushing, about la four, like all the senior guys, bro. About like, figure about Toli.
Jesus.
Kana bo Kama, yos. That's where we Abukuka Mulenga. So yeah, but I knew I'm going to a team that is full of stars. But that we competition. I always wanted to play with the big fish. I always wanted to play.
Yeah,
hence I prophesying. I will play for one of the big teams in South Africa. Whatever you say, so now I can see I knew. So I know two, and especially PSL and foot Jensen Zelicamane. So Nalandu namba andazi man bantu nomandela ngokumayano ngefikile yabo anothuka and nabo bayazi ukuthi akufike ingwenya manje la. Yeah, so yeah.
Now the difficulties awudlali. Competition is tight. Yeah. There's Coach Peter like Coach Peter bengumntu onjani. How do you deal with that mentally? In terms of hey andlali but ngejimini and then the 18 or 22 men traveling squad, and that's one of the parts that are frustrating to a footballer when you're not playing. Usologo sustained. How did you deal with that?
No, it was frustrating, bro. It was frustrating. Now, man, it was a scheme, bro. From the young age, my brother, it was a scheme. I go back, Zang, from Tony Pinchini. Yeah, and Saint Tuana, bro, Saint Tuana Zang. Someone figure out money, and my big pension sometimes we are adjusting, so try. We are still cooking you, but we are still on 60%. You are still on 60%. It games yabo. And that time we been so injury so I'm learning gain weight a bit to my normal weight now. So I had to go and adjust to the fitness and everything and then man we back train fitness they been shine hamstring injury. Now we're saying injury things that I'm not used to. Play my injuries and go say my injuries.
I would go no chemical engineering.
And that's the when I told them because I remember that I'm fair to we are in a big team. Mtandazo kuphela ezosebenza la ngithi party ilingifix leyo nje umthandazo and yana I pray yabo yile bafana bafana squatini with umthandazo yabo. So I don't understand about why should I use another things now. Yabo. So ndana ngqondo stop on but as the time ixesha liyama yabona ukuthi hey nyani should maybe yasebenza lento because now I'm getting injuries. Hey it's no yasebenza yabo. So it's starting to get to engqondweni yabo but abanqoma hayi football wethu yabo senam sentwana nje axeba sentwana yabo. Then only my second season that's when I mind stand at alone yabo just to get a game time alone yabo.
Because I think it was frustrating because I remember there were times when you odlaliswa what you call MTC. Chisboy was there, ne?
Yeah, Chisboy, yeah.
Yabo. So iyakhawathi engqondweni landela ba andlali ngondi udlala. Because also imagine and we part and parcel the first team. Now kuthiwa ambodlala banene nomthi Avela wayiphama sine
acezwe
I think kuthiwa ambodlala no Avela odlala lana engqondweni ba hayi suka ayikho lento bandenzela yona
mana baba nami negama I've got a big name now like but yeah sometimes na xa usiya lapho ubusuyazi okay you going there for a game time and futhi kwabantu abakujole ay coaches like bazobuya ne feedback and futhi ibikunceda because now I need to slally minutes if you get like 60 minutes ku MTC like 70 minutes uyazi bana iyathothisa ku first team so ibikunceda kakhulu naThomas.
Coach Peter okay didn't have too much time being around here na but like ubusich ba uxelela bafana bene landline endlini so that akufanele akufumane and the way coaching yakona why ngumuntu onjani like towards you understand
engumjudo sharp because man Sundowns funwe nguye he called me like months before ubangiye Sundowns the guy was convincing me every day and makufonela yazi uthini uzaxela ba hey unobani lapho noma were you with my point that coach I'm with maybe dating no Dumza atha cela uphuma kancane excited funa sihlebe yeah how's it my boy how's training abamangena nje akubuze ngento zama training so yena uPitso yeah bengumjito sharp kume hayi bengumjito wanginceka washo ba ine big team now izinto zishintshile manje yabo I'm giving you this years athi uzodlala la kumele ubekezele wena but mina hence I'm saying ngamxelela mina ish coach cela clearance man yabo ngicela i-loan yeah
ngokuthatha i-loan is it a matter of you can see but hey I'm not going to play here I'm not going to play or is it a matter of man I'm not okay I need to go to a different environment apho disaphinda ndibuyele back to that Liolo obedlala ku Free Sisters at Sundowns wanted
nami ngifela ubuyela egamini because then ngisho sengibuya ku injuries yabo and uSundowns uyalinda babo ngisho besinebopelembe lapho umuntu is doing well iphinde nakoma yole ichule and mayifumana uzodlala 2-3 games the fourth game yeah rotate last chain yabo so la ndibing frustrated rotation man jwayele ushaya 90 minutes in a row so yeah my rotation yabo so aqala uPizo ngithi man coach I want a loan so le ngisho ku Sundowns they are so professional and proper they do proper things ku Sundowns so ziba nangokuva players go to media's colors at Sundowns because benza izinto ngokwendlela pha
because you being here I also feel like it's an opportunity and a chance to educate the Yellow Nation the supporters but how things work when it comes to a playing time at Sanalakoya Choba there's a lot of players that are waiting. You might find as a winger, there's 6 wingers.
Yeah.
2 on the day that are needed. Another 2 or 1 must be on the bench. I want you to understand, but yeah, as much as you did to play with him, but I feel like Lendubu said, but yeah, you'll get your time, you'll get your opportunity. But you need to understand, but 4 games, Chief Tikalin, or Guwe was Kupa Yetimin.
When I wouldn't say but the coach by strategy sabo but bekunama players oyazi ukuthi hayi lo uzayishaya 90 minutes mama 6 games 7 games no yamkhumbulo uskip uscoot
ale shoot
yeah lamjito uyazi bale 90 minutes abodona bale 90 minutes zabo so bisenza especially ukuthi kwi attackers wingers yabo like okay yeah hence babe sense ukuthi each and every weekend ku Sundowns we've got friendly games but every makudlalisa
first team iyadlala abangayenza
yeah sine program e1 igym awuthi bang Friday kanye mgqibelo
awuzukhosa etimini
first team ayo jive hayi simola kuya camp Saturday you've got a friendly game ngo 12 benza ngo 12 so that mawuphuma udlala friendly you go to a game yobukela first team wena umuntu kayenzanga yabo so I program ihamselana naba be first team abangenzanga so besiyazi ba like ungangabikho kule veki chances of next week ngakhona because funeka umuntu ahlala efit ready all time
Josie
wenzani
fike Josie ufike kwandonga ziyaduma kwanyama iphela kuphela izinyo lendoda emjondo Josie Midrand Bram what's the other one let's say town man Newtown. I'm also speaking from experience. When you get to choose, I'm telling you the lights is your panda. When dealing with the lights. Also get my plazine from the Free State. Also get my plazine from the kuna nightclub by one. Forget choose. Londa uhlala kuyo there's a nightclub. Londa ufika kuyo there's a nightclub. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, we're going off topic, but we have to talk about those things. They happen. It's life, It's some of the things that we have to pass through a life in, and we'll be able to share the experiences about. But hey, you dealing with a goal. You are not playing. You're frustrated. Yeah, I understand. Competition is tight. You have to deal now. I think gain a strato for you. That share man, but how was it like dealing with the lights as it was? Because you're not playing.
Yeah. Especially ungadlali na Dums, especially ungadlali nje buyazi ba nakho iJozi it's happening eJozi. Yeah, it's happening eJozi. Yeah, obviously ungadlali Dums like you get to ufuna ungena estrato eJozi yabo. Because awudlali now you've got friends now amachita azothi mayano asitha sibangena but I was not a person uphuma that's why ungazange uve scandals about uNomandela this and that isibhaya yabo because like ba besihlale indoors besiphela indoors
Sine story ngesale indoors
bekiplay umuntu ohlala indoors uNadumza bengumuntu ohlala indoors stress uNadumza ukukhula manidumza yabo ukukhula yabo ezinye izinto asaziplan ebomini yabo yeah there's challenges they come along the life yabo if bekuthiwa life in manual lapho sayiplan ukuthi ish makusenzeka so ngathi kanje yabo so yeah like it happen to any player bro ungadlala u get frustrated yabo get ugcwala isitrazo seJozi yabo yeah but uyanyazi uphinde usikhuphule ubona ukuthi yeah mfethu this is what engizele eJozi yabo so yeah nami ngike ngangena isitrato seJozi yabo ngenile isitrato seJozi
yeah I'm apartment hunting ndikhangela indawo ohlala so abantu basearch diamond khona indawo we most amachita abahlala bafonela uSnapep umkhize the one that's it's Khukhweni ela ndifuna indawo ohlala dayizwakala so niphuma esibhani Kempton Park fake staff so ngena ku security xa ngifike ku security diamond ndizoviewisha kwathini ela security Nangomnye so utheni Grootman so indivent ethi isiXhosa athi yo umXhosa nithi ya umXhosa wami nithi East London athi yo amazi uNomandela nithi hayi ndiyamazi why Grootman athi yo lantwana iyahlupha yo
ngibala
iyahlupha There's happen say Kempton Park yo besinokhelwa every Saturday baba yo kukho noise next door you know manzelanga lo andlala ibhola
no bazasisho noise uba ngixasa umculo suku noma zamesithula lo ngibana hayi noma zamesithula umculo lo
before game like yeah so but for me, I feel like Lena Benditata earlier on, we are trying now, you get frustrated, you're not playing. There's some way you have to relieve your stress, you know. But sometimes we go to your cellar. You understand? This isn't that isn't to see you as a soccer player in terms of Mzimba. And I appreciate the fact that we acknowledge along the loba. There was a time in life in Yako, he isn't doing so much was in Zeki Kakle. What shift? Just turn the big lights lomchito. Suke Gauteng. Wabheka emanzini eKapa.
Yes, ke lahlala Cape Town. Ngifela ku Cape Town.
Abantu bangazi abantu abaninzi. I used to drive him to training. Yomthetha ngapha. $10 ndawo. Ezansi ku $10 ndawo ezansi ke.
Ebihlala silungile lapha.
$10 ndawo na.
Observe.
No, not Orbs. No, it's the one that goes to Table Mountain. We nyuka. I'm just no, not the point. We are Table Mountain. No, we are Lula, not to Table Mountain, but I'm just forgetting the name of Landa. Hey. So speak up and you Hlalepa. Mind you lomdulona, Hlalapa. Pezul, Hlal Eric Tink. Hlal Eric Tink. So we went out to go Sabuya Slin. So it says Ngolela, says Ngogolela, but Jenna saying a pocket in this Ngogola Machitas me pant. And it, I'm coach. That's it out. Oh, relax, it's weekend, the guys are not playing. Hey, you are allowed to have fun. And it, coach. Nyama! Obshaile for you, coach. Again, you know. Your time at Cape Town City, you didn't stay long. How was your stay at Cape Town? I think it's one of the last few teams in the big leagues that you played for before you like die. My main ball.
Yeah, that's Cape Town. And I'm Cape Town. Cape Town. I will come John. La time being le.
What? Kolo ukuphazamela. Wathi xa kukuseni contract. Sendele message wathi bazawundazi nifikile.
Vele mina mangifika abo coach ne owners izingcaka angifika ngeteam ngifika ngisakele team webhali ngifuna icoach na yilento na president because na mangifika lapha uThinkla benguyi coach lapho and that time befuna bengubhongo uJayiya no Ngoma wingers. So they needed another winger. So I chose Tingla. In fact, I'm following Josie, Cape Town City. I'm following Josie. But and that time the under team, but I'm left with 4 months with contract. So but to Cape Town City, no, my boy, we want you to sign you, we sign, but this flop man,
agent.
As for agent. Yeah. As for agent, come back. Hey.
Uzayithile.
Ayithini lamadoda ne. And o team ngabantu bama lawyer. Aba double cross abazakuza ngenye spare yabo.
Iniqala.
Angithi angifuna Bratim la, let me be honest with you bra, mina kune-call engenayo manje engifuna Cape Town. And abantu bangifuna Cape Town bathi abayifuna agent bra, being honest. Wayilwisa uteam wathi kanjani angithi team mina uzofuna imali angithi. Bafuna lathi Bratim nesh. Bayeka just want to play football uyazi ukuthi ngibuya ku Sundowns yabo ngifuna ukudlala ibhola manje abazinkulumo ish angathi asokolisa na uBratim aqala yabo angathi asokolisa yabo but la plan se Cape Town ngidlala ngijime Monday Tuesday Wednesday ngihlala noThabo nodada ngihlala noThibos mangifika ngihlala noThibos athi Thibos hange le
eJamaica
ngathi lezonto Yithi Thibos ama ngizosigna brapa mana uzosayina lungisa into zakho no team wena bayi because abantu bafuna ukusayina and mina sengithe Cape Town la ngisekho nayo team because I wanted to see ngingagabhu team
kanti
abantu abazongisayina ngafika ngicacisa batha uthini say thina tomorrow morning sikufuna officeini wena angithi uthemo sawuna agent awunani yo yeah mangu wejibu isidumza ngifonela uBratim all the way bra man. So I was ungihlupa bra.
Khawume kancane.
I was ungihlupa and yase kushekele 4 months bra la yabo. But Bratim is fine. Go ahead. Ngitaka purpose asifana sewasana Terminator. Because man ngibambe wathi hayi khuleke ngabantu ngoma ngithembu lo mbiloya lo Thumzana.
Bethe nge-gentleman's agreement.
So but it was easy wangivumela uBratim and then I went to Cape Town City Tingla no John ngasign amaphepha. Then yeah, everything was okay. Stayed in Cape Town ngadlala games 2 yeah, then come January because that's why come January mangibuye ekhaya then I had problems, family problems ekhaya like that I wouldn't want to share go platform because it includes some time and my old age family things.
Yeah.
So that affected me a lot because it's affected umuntu ungajambi into ezikude zezona zibulala qomba ucima famo inakanga lanto but mohlala endle uqomba man lento iyangiphazamisa qenqeni le yabo ezinye izinto ingathi ngokudonsela le ngokuyabo yabo nawo usafocusanga ngesibandi ethe kwenzekani
ndohlala eJamaica
yabo so ngithama ndithayi ke ngapha kuThingla ngithe noThingla ke lapha yabo no John ethe hayi John ngaqala futhi bangayi tweaks ukuthi ngizosolve izinto endlini yabo Western Cape ngabuyi kose ngapha yabo hlala 2 weeks mangibuya eCape Town uVersace banamthi assistant kanini
Vasili
wencane lamthi
Thama kaMatheo
yobe incane la out le hayi negotiate sengoselapha eStern Cape angisafungile eCape Town lapho umjiji angifonela uthi hawo hey wena buya man sekutheni ndithi these things they need I have to stay longer here but no come tell the boss man abo
ungaveli uhambe nje
now the team now ngosodlala soqala uyadlala and then you knew ba like buzo replace uJayi ama wingers abo some hey buyele Cape Town angiye nyandumza Cape Town that is March that when 2 weeks mangibuya after 2 weeks ngibuyele Cape Town engithetha no John ethe hayi John man since bungisane kahle ngeoffice yabona office yakhe lapha ngiye lapha office ngimxela ethi hayi bra cela masi terminate yabo yami ucinga kahle ekhaya yabona betrend because umoya wami lapha ngiyafuni ngizobhala istory ngokungama pha ba Mandela is doing this and that ibe ngezizwe yabo so ngahlala naye yabo because I do that mathumza that's why teaming I always get to be signed ngezinye team because angivayi kakubi team that's why I played for lots of teams yabo because uyazi team usign a recommendation they recommend okay unomandela benjani yabo play njani is to work with okay if it's to work with coach baqala ngalonto is a guy to work with so that's how I left the Cape Town ngathi I think uzophumula ekhaya
wa join Tata Bucks now before kweze iqomba sekuphela hour jo yabona sometimes when you having a conversation a chilled yabo uLiyolo wenzani ngoku abantu sho bafuna ukwazi ba what's uLiyolo wenzani yabo
uLiyolo ngokuLiyolo I've got my own brand
okay
own brand eKamayana it's a clothing brand yeah idala ngiphusha kona eqale 20 lockdown
yeah
I've been pushing yona And I'm still playing though. I'm still playing. My legs are still going.
Okay.
Yeah, well, because I wouldn't say it's sengfunu because I've never had that in my because I believe gumi football it's a calling, bra. I am whenever I say I take a chill with football, I get a calls, ba. Even now after the podcast, team zengifuna eMpumalanga yabo because I was playing there last season.
Okay.
Mpumalanga APC. Okay. There's teams that they want me in Mpumalanga. There's also teams that they want me at Joes yabo. So I'm still good football na Dooms yabo. I'm also coaching abantwana bamacheri.
Okay.
At Joburg, yeah.
Okay.
Public Works, yeah. Bangicelile pha bangicoach amacheri football public works because baba kune league amacheri evulwe eSpana Joes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you doing your coaching badges?
Yeah,
we are fun by coach.
Yeah, for my coach, my coach.
Uzawuguga nje.
Mari like there.
Uzawuguga nje. Uzawuguga.
What you take on a phone le coaching. Because the coaching anginasneke mina sengidlala ngaske.
Yenzeke lento ufuna ebama yenzeke.
So yeah, but ngiyafuna coach, but I want to be around football. Sorry, I want to be around football, but yeah, but ngifuna uqala kahle coaching like be guided by abantu abafana nani yabo ingayizinga lantu bokhe I was playing ibhola no automatically it's going to be easy for me because one of the things about former players that I've observed xa bese coaching baza ngalantu ba ngidlala ngokuzobabo yeah so I don't want to use that route man funa uphinde ngigelezele ngibe ne knowledge ye coaching because ne knowledge yebhola lokudlala as a player yabo I need to have the more knowledge of coaching yabo so that when even I go to that space of coaching play top because I always want to be the top. Angifuna nje in the middle. Angifuna
just nje
ngibe la. I always want to go higher so that if ngiyawa ngwele la. I used to mustn't aim here. Mawela.
We are prepared.
You must aim high so no biyawa.
We're in the middle.
In the middle, you're still there. So yabona with coaching, even if management or soccer, but whatever I do, I want to be on top.
Yeah. Before you go on, call up production of you.
Yeah.
I think we are for one, but I think it's better as his card, you know, it's time because now I know.
But I'll be part 2, Yabuya.
Part 2,
part 2, because you said, camping Bafana, but I don't want to see as a Rashid.
See Rashid, yeah. No, we'll definitely have part 2, you know. And Bulela Jim now, but you took as much as nandiboni ba ukhona emonti waposta ku WhatsApp like kona soze ndimiyeke because apina nokufumana ikudala but Mbiko bulela sani man for coming through man and share some of your stories sakho your football journey, you know, how it started, what are you busy with at this moment? Because I feel like also having these conversations, it also helps the younger boys zalapho sikhulele khona who have access, you know, umamela bayazi ba uliyolonga lapha ukhule up. It doesn't mean uba for you to go and play top flight football fanele ube ngwaseJozi or at Durban what you are literally an example about you can come from East London, the dusty streets of East London, and become someone, you understand? Of which Nam's story that I always share with it. Hey, kola wa 10 ko 500 emdanzane dusty gravel. Now we say gravel stratos as much as guitar road ngikholela ku gravel, but I've managed to move away and go and work at Sundowns, go and work at Ajax Cape Town, you know. So Lando, it goes to show, but if you want something in life, you can become whatever you want, especially Glamakleshangak. But with that said, this has been another episode of the Nayful Podcast Sports Edition, episode 3. We had a lovely chat with Oluolo Mandela, former Bushbucks player, former Carrara Kicks player, former Free State Stars player, former Mamelodi Sundowns player, former Moroka Swallows player, former Chipa United player, former Cape Town City player, former Barbera player.
I was born for this.
Former FC Buffalo player.
I was born for it.
We out.
Tango.